to withdraw USDT TRC20 in 2025. Follow this step-by-step guide. First, understand what USDT TRC20 is. USDT stands for Tether, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. And TRC20 refers to the technical standard used for tokens on the Tron blockchain. Begin by ensuring you have a compatible wallet that supports TRC20 tokens, such as Tron Link or Clever. If you don't have one, create an account on a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that lists USDT TRC20, like Binance or Huobi. Next, navigate to the withdrawal section of your exchange or wallet. Here, select USDT TRC20 as the token you want to withdraw and enter the amount. Be aware of the minimum withdrawal limits and any associated fees. Then, enter the recipient address, which is the address of your external wallet where you want to receive the USDT TRC20. Double-check the address to avoid any mistakes, as transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. After entering the address, review the transaction details, including the amount, fees, and the recipient address. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. The withdrawal process typically takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion and the exchange or wallet's processing speed. Once the transaction is confirmed on the Tron blockchain, the USDT TRC20 will be credited to your external wallet. To ensure the security of your funds, always use two-factor authentication when logging into your exchange or wallet. And never share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. Regularly update your wallet or exchange app to have the latest security patches and features. In conclusion, withdrawing USDT TRC20 in 2025 involves selecting a compatible wallet, navigating to the withdrawal section, entering the recipient address, reviewing transaction details, and confirming the transaction. Always prioritize security and accuracy to safely manage your cryptocurrency transactions.